Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I will talk about Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. I made few videos on this particular stock. I talk about that price pattern and I said like it is about to break out, then it broke out. So if you are following my channel and my recommendation, probably you have made some money. So in this particular video, what I'm going to talk, number one is about a government contract. I think the news will come on Monday morning, and also some revolving credit issues, so which will also come on Monday morning, and also finally the price pattern because it has finally broken the downward falling movement. So I think in few coming weeks it will go up, and also there is a positive catalyst for PLTR in April. So I will all talk about this in this particular video, and what's the price target, what's the support, what's the resistance, and also if you want to make some quick money playing some call option, then what are the strike price and the expiry date you should be looking at. So that should be a very jam-packed video, so stay till the very end. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I plan to make you new videos and which are about to explode, and we can all gain some quick profit. Okay, so the first news, probably you have seen some other YouTube videos, or this is the first time. So definitely if it is the first time, then what happened. So you see the date, March 31st. So what it says, that the long number is a delivery order under MAS. It was awarded to Palantir Technology on April 1st, which was a weekend, so we did not hear anything. The delivery order is funded by National Nuclear Security Administration, DOE. The potential value of the award is 89.9, less than 90 million, right? So there's a 90 million and 7 million is dollar obligated. So anyway, PLTR will get 7 million. The current value is 13.6 million and the potential value could be 90 million. The award date is April 1st and the potential completion date is March 2026. So April 1st, we know it was not a weekend, it was actually Thursday. So last trading day of last week before the long weekend. Probably you have heard about it, probably you haven't. So that's a good catalyst. And also like some other pictures, I went to PLTR, shout out to. So what I found, like definitely shout out to Minchi Didi. So she posted a picture of the contract. So basically the date, the amount, and everything. If you want to read about this particular contract or this form, please go to Twitter and find at DD Minchi. So that is over there. So definitely I'm not going to this particular one, but just want to make sure that was the news, and I think it did not came to the mainstream. So whenever if it comes on Monday morning, then definitely the share price should go up. The next one, I also went to the SEC. Normally I always go to SEC. So also they have a date with 2nd of April, which is definitely on Friday. No, so we did not trade on Friday, so no news came. So if I go to their 8K filing, so definitely they also have a news of revolving credit. So an increase of 200 million to the revolving commitment of the existing lender. Again, I'm gonna have this link in the description box. So what it says, as of the date hereof, no amount are outstanding under the credit agreement. Okay, so you can go through these things. So basically two catalysts. So one is the government contract, the other one is the increase in revolving credit. Two good catalysts. I think Monday morning definitely it should impact the Palantir price. And the third one, I want to talk about the April 14th double click demo day. So previously we know they had a demo day in some time previously. Let me see, it should be in January 26th because you see the price hike, right? So you can see like there was a demo day and how the price went up. It was a solid run up from 26 to $40. So anyway, so their second click demo date is on April 14th. So what they will do, they will basically it will hold the first in a series of double click demo event on Wednesday at 11 o'clock Eastern time. So they use by 40 industry customers they have. Double click is a software demo event that showcases how the company's platform are used across these industries and customers. So what I'm anticipating is before April 14, there should be a run up before the event, and maybe after the event, like when they showcase the other companies' platform, what are used and what is in the pipeline, maybe it can shoot even higher. But at least for next 10 days, I think there should be a run up. And why I'm also predicting that, because I talked about the news. Let's look at the chart pattern, because like I love technical trading. So in my last video I talked about the downward channel. You see the two black line I drew here. So basically that was the falling wedge, and then you see the circle, the green one. At that point we have broke the falling wedge. So that is a very good sign. We have broke the fall wedge. The very next day it is a red candle, but you can see that even though it's a red candle, we went up in the morning. So I want to show you, we went up in the morning. We tried to break that particular resistance. Then what happened? Because of the long weekend, there was a profit taking, so people started to sell off. So most of the growth stock, they came down in afternoon. So I'm not worried, because just looking at this, we had a green candle in the morning. We went higher, then we came down, but I think it should go higher. And when I was showing you this particular one, you can see that we were trying to break the $24 mark. So we could not break the $24 resistance. We came down sitting around $23, but again, we will go and push definitely. So watch that $24 resistance for sure. And what else? And from the chart you can see that there is a $24 as I show you, and also $25. It seems like a good resistance, right? $25, you see so many candles around this area. So 25 could be a good resistance for this particular stock. And the other one, I would say, let's pick this one. So you see the peak was here, and also few candles touching here. Also it was a resistance here. So once we break 25, then definitely we can go and retest 27.3. After 27.3, what's the limit? We can go easily, I guess, around this area, $30, because again you can see $30. We have two candles. At the same time, we have a gap up. Once if we close $30, then we can go even higher, $32. So these are the resistance. I think once the share price will start going higher and higher, it will break. It will try to break this resistance, but it might also like hit the resistance, comes down, then again it can go higher and higher. Please remember, the share price does not go higher and higher every time. It does not go to the moon each and every time. Sometimes it needs to come down to take the fuel. Once it takes the fuel, the share price consolidates, then it goes to the moon, right? So do not expect, like when I make a video I say it's going up, then in the very next day make a comment, oh, you told it will go higher, and why it didn't happen. So it's not like one day investing. Like if you're investing, it should be a long term. But if you're a day trader, then definitely it impacts. Anyway, the other thing is, if you want to make some quick money using some call option, normally what I do, definitely there are many options, but personally what I'm playing, I choose a August 20 expiry date, which gives me 141 days to expire. A lot of time I'm buying, and I think I choose a strike price of 23, which means my break even is around, let's say, $27. So by August, if the share price goes to $27, I will be in profit. Not before that. Let's say on Monday, if the share price goes higher, then this premium 3.78 can become 4.5. So I will be like $80 profit. So again, it depends. Like whenever I say good profit, if it becomes like five, which means $500, then definitely like I will be in profit. So I might sell. I do not know to wait, but again, Palantir is a slow moving company. To me, it does not like go a lot. So definitely I choose to take a long expiry date, and I just want to give it some time. At the same time, the premiums are not very expensive. The volatility is only 66%. So this is how I'm playing. I'm giving it some time. At the same time, I know by August definitely it will hit at least $27, because it seems so close, right? You see, $27 is so close. So if your break even is $27, I think it will definitely hit. And by August, we have like 141 days. If you do not want to spend a lot of money or want to wait, you can also pick to 16th of April, because we know the demo event will be on 14th, so you can choose 16, ride the wave. So in that case, I would say you can just choose 22.5 or $23 strike. So your premium is like 24.2. Delta is not bad, 53. So just ride the wave and get out. So if you think we will go to 25, then definitely that's a good one because your break even is 25, right? So you can just choose this one or even choose this one. So all of these are okay. I'm okay with this if you choose a strike price of 22.5 or 23. I'm okay definitely. And the final one, I want to show you the open interest here. You see, this means the people are still waiting. They haven't sold on, like, let's say for 25 strike price, 35,000 call options are still waiting. If I look at this 24, 12,000 open interest. So it means so many people are betting that by 16th of April the share price will go to $25. So a lot of smart money, big monies are waiting. So definitely they're predicting something. Sometimes when you look at volume and open interest, you can get a sense how many people are waiting, especially when it's the open interest. It means that people are waiting and they are betting. So anyway, my friends, the whole purpose of this video is to show you the news, the price action, and if you want to make some quick money with some call option, how can we play? So if you find that any information presented in this particular video, please hit the like button. It takes only 1 second. Then the next 1 second is to subscribe to my channel and select the all option of the bell notification so that you can get all of my notification. Also, please share your comment below, and thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.